Ever spent hours whiteboarding data flows only to realize your map's missing half the pipeline? Manual lineage tracking isn't just tedious, it's a liability. Our building data lineage tracker cracks the problem with automated metadata extraction from Snowflake and BigQuery, Python R SQL script parsing, DAG dependency mapping, and real time lineage graph updates synced to Git commits. Imagine pushing code and instantly seeing how that new transformation affects downstream dashboards. No whiteboards were harmed in the making of this tool. For data engineers drowning in ETL sprawl, DevOps leads chasing compliance audits, or analytics teams battling broken dashboards, this is your GPS for data chaos. End to end visibility, zero all nighters. Here's what's inside the Building Data Lineage Tracker skill. It auto extracts metadata from PostgreSQL, Spark, and Airflow, parsing column level lineage across Python, SQL, and Scala scripts. The interactive UI visualizes multi hop transformations, from raw S3 data to Looker metrics. Real time sync hooks into dbt and Fivetran to update lineage when pipelines change. You'll get code templates for custom parser extensions, pre-built connectors for Snowflake Cortex, and compliance-ready impact analysis reports. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just lineage tracking, it's your data's family tree with a built-in truth serum. Installing the Building Data Lineage Tracker skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-data-lineage-tracker. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance for Apache Atlas integration, regex-powered parser configs, and sample DAGs from Fortune 500 audit trails. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to parse Airflow XComs, map Redshift dist keys, and flag PII data chains. Yes, it works with your legacy Hadoop cluster too. Transform data chaos into clickable clarity before your coffee hits empty.